Hey guys, insider trading, market manipulation, stock market bubbles, and pump and dump scheme. So, how do some people exploit the stock market? What are the adverse impacts of the stock market on a person and on society at large? So, these are the things people rarely talk about it. Let's talk more about it.
Nifty is opening 70 points higher. Today we have hit a new all-time high.
In the Sensex has hit the 50,000 mark.
Markets in fine fettle as we speak.
Sensex has climbed the 60,000 peak, its highest ever.
But are you like me, wondering how are the stock markets constantly soaring when the economy is actually going down?
So this is fickle money. This is money that can go out.
I'm not giving you wrong concept related to stock market. I'm also one of the active investor in the stock market. I'll tell you something. You will start thinking in a different perspective this market when you are investing your money in the stock market next time. So what are shares and stocks? Shares are part of company. When you're buying particular company's share, that you're buying a company's ownership. But it doesn't matter that if you're holding 0.1% or 0.2% or 1% of the company, you can take a decision in the company. Unless you're holding 51% of the stake in the company. So you can take your own decision in case if you're holding a lot of stock, a lot of stake in the company, right? So what are stocks then? It's a bundle of shares. You would have gone ahead and purchased different companies' parts. That is called stock. We call it as. Then why do companies are very interested to sell their shares, part of their ownership? Because they want money, because they want to expand their business, because they want to launch certain products and services in the market. They don't have money, they just want to offer it in the public so that they can attract a lot of investor funds. As a common investor, what are we going to look for before investing in the market is all matters. So before investing in the market, fundamental and technical analysis are very important aspect to understand it. Let's talk about fundamental analysis and technical analysis. So what are fundamental analysis? Basically, fundamental analysis is understanding company's profit and loss, understanding company's balance sheet, understanding company's product and services, understanding company's suppliers and buyers, and how is company doing it so far, and what are the company's reserves and surplus. This is called fundamental analysis. And what are technical analysis? Basically, technical analysis is understanding company's price variations, understanding how company was doing it in terms of price from last 365 days, what was the 365-day high, low, and how it is doing it from last 1 month, last 15 days, from last 10 days, and what we can speculate in the market. How is that it is going to go high, or how is that it is going to come down. So these all things are called technical analysis, basically understanding technical aspects. And these both analysis are very important before we are investing in the market. Equally, it's very important to understand what are the benefits are we going to get it post buying a company shares. Is it, are we going to get a good dividend, a splits, right issues, or maybe you wanted to be a speculator, hedger, or arbitrager. This all matters. Without understanding the volatility factors of the market, people will go for intraday, BTST, and options because of margins, thinking that to make their money double. Expectations are such unrealistic. People will go for 50,000 investment and thinking that to double within a month. Boss, this is 200% of return on investment you are getting it. If you calculate for this return on investment annually, you are getting almost 2,500 percentage. You would have become more richer than Warren Buffett. Even Warren Buffett would have got return 20 to 30% after waiting for a long 20 years in the market. I am literally fed up of people who are doing 2000% types of shit around me.
मैं 10 लाख लोगों से मिलता हूं, 9,99,900 बोलते हैं मैंने कमाया. मुझे मालूम है 9,90,000 झूठ बोलते. तो 10 लाख में से कमाते 900. फिर सब मुझे बोलेंगे कि आप तो सट्टा करते हो, सट्टा ही मेरा जल है, आप बोले, और हमको मना करते हो। मैं बोला डैडी सिगरेट पीते थे, हमको मना करते हो।
India is a completely dependent country. It depends on a lot of political system changes, social and economic consequences in the country, and also external factors in the country. It is going to fluctuate like anything. There's a chances that it might crash the entire market also. So top people, top profit people, and few brokers are involved in stock market scams like market manipulation, insider trading, pump and dump schemes is also called as market manipulation, and stock market bubbles. So insider trading is all about getting early information before it is reaching to public, so that we get a chance to invest and make a profit out of it. This is also called a scam. Market manipulation and also pump and dump schemes, both are same basically, is a process of creating fake documents, fake profit and loss, fake balance sheet in the company, so that by seeing the company is doing great, the people will go for buying a lot of shares, particularly about this company, and then they end up dumping the entire market. And a stock market bubble is also known as an asset bubble or speculative bubble, is when the prices of stocks rise exponentially over a period of time. Eventually the price hit a wall and fall below. The best example that we had is 2008 global crisis, Lehman Brothers. As per SEBI report, only 11% of people who are making profit out of it. Out of 11%, 3 to 5% are top profit makers. That means the success rate in the stock market is only 3 to 5%. I was thinking to make 25 din mein paisa double. Was is not going to happen. It is all about annual return on investment. You calculate on the basis of annually. You calculate annual return. You calculate the aggregate profit what you are getting at annually. That's very important. Please change your mindset towards stock market. We have to have good knowledge before investing in the market. So remember, please don't take a loan to invest in the market. If you have money or savings, please go ahead and take a risk. Thank you very much.